Our standard origin story begins 13.8 billion years ago. In this version of history, the entire universe was once compressed into a single point of infinite density, which suddenly exploded outward to create everything we see. Physicists call this point a singularity, but it is effectively a mathematical red flag. It marks the exact moment where the equations of general relativity fail and the known laws of physics cease to function. To bridge the gap between this broken math and the universe we actually observe, cosmologists have relied on theoretical stabilizers like inflation and dark energy. These concepts make the equations work, but they have yet to be explained by a concrete physical mechanism. There is another possibility, a model that replaces the explosion with a big bounce occurring inside a black hole. Eliminating the singularity replaces a mathematical breakdown with a structural map of the entire cosmos. Understanding our origin requires looking at a universe older than our own. In this parent universe, a massive star runs out of fuel and violently implodes under its own immense gravitational weight. This collapse crushes matter so tightly that it forms an event horizon, a boundary in space-time from which not even light can escape. Once matter crosses this threshold, it continues to rush towards the center, theoretically destined to be crushed into non-existence at a single point. The ultimate fate of this infalling matter determines whether a universe dies or is born. This is where Einstein accounts for the intrinsic spin of the particles making up that infalling matter. At extreme densities, these particles encounter the quantum exclusion principle, a law of physics stating that certain identical particles absolutely refuse to occupy the same state at the same time. This particle spin generates a powerful repulsive force known as torsion. At a critical density, torsion creates a quantum floor that prevents matter from collapsing any further. The infalling matter strikes this floor, halts, and then violently rebounds. This is the big bounce. Because the escape velocity of the black hole is faster than light, this rebounding matter is trapped. It cannot blast back out into the parent universe. This chart shows the scale factor of such a universe over time. The sharp rise represents a period of rapid internal expansion that mirrors the inflation phase of our own Big Bang. A moment of wonder. This newly born reality, expanding inwardly behind an event horizon, is the universe we inhabit today. Testing this model requires looking for physical fingerprints left over from that original bounce. Recent observations from the James Webb Space Telescope have revealed an unexpected anomaly. A disproportionate 2/3 of examined early galaxies spin clockwise. In a standard Big Bang, spin directions should be random, but in a black hole universe, the new cosmos would inherit a preferred rotational axis from the spinning star that created it. This model also aligns with these temperature fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background, calculating values that match our observations without needing theoretical adjustments. Real-world data is beginning to match the math of the bounce, providing a structural explanation for the universe that the standard model cannot. If our universe exists inside a black hole, we are not the beginning of the cosmic story, but a single chapter within it. This perspective changes how we view the trillions of black holes scattered across our own night sky. These objects function as the starting points for entirely new realities, each hidden behind its own event horizon. We live in a nested Russian doll cosmos, an infinite chain of collapsing stars, bouncing matter, and hidden realities.